Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is a midnight oil. Right, we're going to start this off with a nice aged golden rum. What I'm using is a 12-year-old Bacardi Reserva Limitada. I don't speak Spanish, just un poquito. But I've had this probably good 12 years. Anyway, we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of our rum. Next, we're going to go with a 1/4 ounce of a ginger liqueur. It's a very complex drink. It's a 1/4 ounce. Next, we're going to go with another 1/4 ounce of a banana liqueur. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of coffee, cold brew or brew your own. Last, we're going to go with 3 dashes of a vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. There we go. Oh, that's a little more than 3. Next, we're going to fill our cup with ice. And now we want to give this a nice stir. Get it nice and chilled. Because we're going to pour it in a coupe glass. You smell a banana. Get our strainer, get our coupe glass. And there you have it, a midnight oil. Cheers. That is a lot of flavors coming together really, really nicely. Try one more time. Because we think about the flavors, right? You don't put ginger and banana together. That's weird. I think the vanilla extract balanced it all off with the coffee. Wow. This is a really good drink. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.